Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very basic khari. Khari is basically a puff pastry which is cut into strips and baked in the oven. A khari is a staple in Indian households where one box would be filled up and kept in the kitchen to be enjoyed with your tea every day or even with breakfast. You can make it, keep it, enjoy it for up to a month. It doesn't get spoiled. It's super easy but a little time consuming. So let's get started. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।